So today I thought I'd do a video more to give people a laugh at my expense rather than really an instructional video. There will be little tips and tricks, but I'm not sure that anyone that watches this will probably do anything quite as complicated as this GT40 dashboard. So figuring out how to get the thing out of the mould. You'll be surprised in a minute when you see quite the effort that's required to get these things out of moulds. I think people think that they just pop out, so excuse the language if any swearing occurs. This should give you a bit of a laugh, and it will allow me to release some pent up frustration of the kind of day I've had so far. First things first, to undo this flange that bolts the two halves of the mould together. Oh, before I do that, what tools do we require? Rubber mallet, several plastic wedges, and I've also got a couple of wooden wedges. Not that it really makes a difference. I like to use the plastic wedges anywhere where it's going to touch the item, and the wooden wedges can just be used like for separating these two halves or whatever, somewhere where they're not likely to damage the part. Okay, so that's got the flange unbolted. First thing to do is use this sort of overhang. Look a bit messy, but it's quite useful to start to release the part from the mould. I use these wedges just to go around and crack it off. Right, so that's the easy bit out. As you can tell, being quite firm with it. I've got no choice really with something like this. And the fibreglass is a bit stronger than than you think. There we are, it's out. That has got to be the easiest a dashboard's ever come out of a mould. So I might make more videos, might make things easier. Yeah. Next step is to trim it. I'll do another video later that with some tips and show you the tools required to trim all this waste up and neaten the edges up, which might be useful when you're prepping the bodywork on the actual finished car. Till then, thanks for watching.